Hi there, my name is Nicholas with Say.digital, and in this video we're going to show you how to add new users to your HubSpot portal, set permissions, and enable paid features. Alright, let's dive right into this by clicking on the settings gear here on top and then navigate to users and teams. And then here we want to click on create user, and then we're prompted to enter the email address. I'm going to use my co-founder's email address here and hit next once it's in there. There's another option if you want to add a large amount of new users. You can use a CSV file, but for the sake of simplicity in this case, we'll go with just one single email. So we hit next, and then the next step here really is we can choose different permission sets. And these are the ones that we start with. So we can either start with a default permission set pre-configured by HubSpot. We can also use a saved permission set if we already have one, or we can completely start from scratch if it's a unique user or user that you're not gonna set up very often. In this video here, we're gonna start with a default permission set and hit next. And what you can see now is that the standard user here is selected, and the green dots here indicate which features this user has full access to. So depending on what hub you're in, like the CRM, the marketing hub, sales hub, or service hub, you can see what features that specific user with this permission set has access to. You can change this depending on roles. So for example, you can also select the sales manager with a permission set that meets most of the sales manager's requirements. Same goes for the sales rep then, who has different day-to-day tasks than the sales manager. There is one particular role that you're not going to assign very often, which is the super admin. And as you can see, a lot of the gray dots turn into green when you select the super admin, which is basically one of those users that can configure quite a lot on both the tactical and the strategic stuff in the HubSpot portal. We're going to do this here for my co-founder because it helps us explain a few things better. Because even though you've selected the super admin here, you can still see that a couple of the features here in the service hub and a couple in the sales hub are still grayed out. And these are some of the paid features from the paid HubSpot plans that we can select in the next step. So let's hit next here. Then you can see it's a super admin, can manage all users, tools, and settings. And then here we can enable the paid features. So for us, this looks like this because our demo portal is subscribed to the Sales Enterprise plan and the Service Hub Enterprise plan. We have 20 seats each. And if we want to give Alex access to the playbooks, call transcription, quote-based workflows in the Sales Enterprise package, or a couple of the features in the Service Enterprise package, we can just toggle this on here, and then the formerly gray boxes now would turn into green dots. So yeah, that's basically what you can do here in terms of the paid features. And then the next step really is we're almost there. So what you can do here is you can either decide if you want to just send an automatic email out from the system, or you can basically check this box here and basically add the user through a manual email, or just talk to them and add them to the portal. They get access either way because you set them up here. It's just more the matter of, do you want to send them an automatic email or maybe hop on a quick call and do that in one go by explaining a lot of the things. Yeah, and then here you can just review all the permissions that you've granted, just making sure that it's the right permission set you've selected for this user. And then the last step is to hit send. And that's already it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on how to get the most out of your HubSpot portal. And also, don't miss out on our new exclusive guide with 7 powerful HubSpot hacks that help you optimize performance and increase productivity in your HubSpot portal. The download is free, and you can find the link below this video.